Welcome back to Tech After Dark. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and giving you my first impressions on the multi-device K780. Little tiny box, perfect for a keyboard. So let's pop this open. So we'll cut the two tabs here. Always cut away from yourself. Just like that. The keyboard. Put this off to the side here for a second. And you don't get much in the box. They'll even just print what to do right from the cardboard here. So it's just telling you that there's a USB right on the bottom, and you can select up to 3 devices, which is really sweet. And this works on phones, tablets, and computers. So that's good. Okay, so we'll take the little tab here. And yeah, just like that. This is supposedly the white version, just from the look of things. They have sparkling version, which is more like maybe a marble, and then they have the white version. And just right off the bat, I can just try typing on it here. Yeah, feels good. I come from the K95 Platinum keyboard behind me, and that's mechanical cherry browns in them, and they're really good, really nice to type on. This is just more of a membrane type of keyboard, but it's perfect for wireless capabilities and maybe just using it on the couch if you want to, on the TV or something, on your phone even, because you can connect it right to your phone and place it right here. So, or even your iPad or whatever. So it almost kind of makes for everything. So let's just go behind here. So let's pull this. So it's already trying to connect to a device. So let's just take out my phone and see if it connects. Yep, keyboard, K780. Okay, enter the code, and it says connected, so maybe we can try it out. Let's go in the Notes app. Phone just fits. I do have a case on it. I don't think you're supposed to have a case maybe with these big thick boy phones, the iPhone XS Max, but let's just try it out. So pretty low latency right away. So we'll just do the quick brown fox. Jumped over the lazy dog. And it feels good. Feels pretty stout. I don't mind the keys being round and all, and the typing feel is pretty good. It's pretty good just for a membrane kind of basic keyboard. This one does start out at 80 bucks on sale, and it's normally about $90 off sale. So pretty good little deal on this. And this connects up to your Logitech mouse for flow. So you can actually start typing on up to like, a Mac, a Windows PC, and have it all communicate with each other. So this keyboard is compatible with that. So it's pretty sweet. It just kind of connects, and you can set it up, and your mouse will go from one window to another, from Mac to Windows, or 2 Windows computers. And it all kind of works in conjunction with each other. So that's really nice, and up to 3 devices is nice to connect to as well. So you can just start typing right away. feels good. Like it has everything you want. It has the keypad on the right, numpad, and you can just kind of start typing in whatever numbers you'd like. It has all the function keys, and yeah, I think this lasts like a year to 2 years on just typing away wirelessly. So there's no wires to even contend to. So, and I really like this backrest that you can just put your phone there or whatever. I think it works even in portrait. Yeah, it just kind of sits there. So kind of any way. Has an on and off switch there as well. But yeah, nice little keyboard. I don't mind it. It's, if you're in a pinch and you want something that connects to your phone, tablet, or computer wirelessly, if your whole setup, if you want to have like a clean setup with like wires and stuff, I would definitely maybe check this out. The travel is good. The feel, I hope the letters stay. I think they probably wouldn't wear out as much, because these Logitech company is pretty good with their quality. Just like that, it clicks out. Just slide it down, and it does include a unifying receiver, so you can plug this into any device and use it through USB. And this might be maybe like slightly quicker than Bluetooth in the latency wise. But yeah, this is just right in the whole computer here, and it's nice that it has an extra connection for the computer. And it does have 2 Duracell batteries, and they're AAA, so buy them every 2 years, I guess, and they'll last you, so that's nice to have. There you go, the K780. And yeah, if you want to switch to 2 or 3, you can, and right on the fly, so you can just kind of start typing away at any device you're on. But up to 3 devices is really nice. My Logitech MX Master 2S, they have the 3rd out as well. You can connect up to 3 devices as well with that. And so you can have like a unifying device, you can have another Bluetooth device. It's all super neat, and it kind of saves you time, so you don't have to manually clear out another device just so you can use it, right? So yeah, the nice little kind of dark gray black type of keyboard to have. The weight is pretty decent. It's a little heavy, on the heavier side, but if you have it on just a desk, it's fine. Maybe on your lap, it's just decent. It's a good heft to it. And I really like the design. It's pretty simple. And the arrow keys are the correct inverted T, so there's no like extra padding on the right and left. I don't usually prefer that. And obviously it has Mac commands right on the keyboard as well, so you won't be confused on what device you're using. So yeah, my conclusion, yeah, that's pretty much it here. Yeah, maybe try to find it on Amazon or something, and yeah, it's a nice little wireless keyboard. No wires, no fuss, and this is kind of the way it is these days. There's just a wireless option, no wires. So that's always nice to have. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.